Hi, it's Pauline Hayes. This is Course 1, Starting a Business, Lesson 2, Developing a Business Plan. Most people starting a new business will need to develop a formal business plan in order to access finance. But actually, it's a very good discipline in itself to have an up-to-date business plan, whether you are starting a business or have been trading a while. If you use a good template, it will force you to go through the whole rationale for your business, look at every aspect of it, and examine or re-examine it in terms of likely profitability, which for most people is the objective. Once you have a plan, it is relatively simple and a good discipline to review each year and check you're still on track. Your management team can review short, medium, and long-term objectives. You will also be asked to submit a business plan regularly if you have successfully accessed funding from a bank or investors. When banks and other financial institutions are considering a loan application, they will be looking for businesses that have good cash flow management, a strong balance sheet, a sound business plan, a well-balanced management team, and a good business record, and who are looking to develop and grow. The business plan is a key first step. Also, if you make an application for a grant or any other state aid, they will inevitably ask to see your business plan. It is always easier to update an existing plan than to start from scratch. As always, there are several different formats, none of which is right or wrong. A good small business plan defines exactly what you want to achieve and how you plan to achieve it. As a minimum, your business plan should clearly state what your business will do, the products or services it will provide, how customers will access your products, for example, online, by phone, in a high street shop, and your approach to pricing. You may also consider including the mission and objectives of a business, the development plan, market strategies, competitive analysis, operations and management structure, employee need and financial details. Many banks will have a template you can use, and there are free templates available on the internet. The format I like to use is to have a cover page listing contents like this example. There are sections I like to use, but you can use what suits you best. So for example, Business Plan ABC Company Limited and the date. And then contents, the executive summary, summary of the background, the business environment, business background, operations, go-to-market plan, investment, and cash flow forecast. Taking each of these in turn, the executive summary. Although this will be the first section in your plan, it is easiest to write it last, as with all summaries. Introduce the company, its geographical location, and provide an overview of product and market, its legal status and sector. Clarify your vision, objectives and aims, and mention planned launch dates. Then, depending on the reason for writing the plan, you'll probably mention the rationale for the funding you are seeking, whether it's startup funding, working capital, or for an expansion plan. Section B, Summary of Background. Provide some background. Explain why the business was established, its history to date, what the goals are and how you plan to get there. Are you looking for steady growth or fast expansion? Why do you need to expand or secure more capital? Give a description of your products and services, your USP, target customer, outline of the business aims, SMART, mention any patent or copyright or design registration that you have, accreditations, clients, legal obligations such as health and safety, licenses, insurance. Business environment. Start by describing your business. What does it do? What makes it different from rivals? Your USP again. Review your market and competitors, ideally backed up by research. Profile your target market and analysis of demand, the size of the target market, the market potential and market trends, potential clients, the target demographic, proposed pricing, again ideally backed up by research. Business background section should contain an analysis of your sector, who your key competitors are, assessment of your competitors, a SWOT analysis showing strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats in your sector and facing your business. Operations section should contain information about your management team and resources. Give details of key personnel and their roles. Describe important assets such as premises and equipment. Staffing policy, will you hire or outsource staff? Your go-to-market plan should outline your sales and marketing strategy, include information on pricing, cost of product, market price, margin, route to market, internet, store, phone, mention product launch dates and seasonality. Your investment section should include details of any startup investment made by directors, any bank loans or overdrafts, your setup costs, costs of equipment, premises, materials, transport, stock, data on your current financial situation, and how new funding sought will be used. Your cash flow forecast should be a spreadsheet covering at least a year month by month, and it should show projected sales, different income streams with their own line of information, cost of sale, rent rates, utilities, insurances, fuel, loan repayments, salaries, any overheads. These should be totalled monthly. The monthly sales figure less the costs and overheads, all shown month by month, will form a monthly sales and cash flow forecast, profit and loss projections, and will flag up a funding requirement. Here is a simple example of a business plan. So that's it for lesson 2. In lesson 3 we'll look at company structure.